Information technology is a very important component to most businesses and organizations, and hospitals are no exception, including Martha Jefferson Hospital. In fact, MJH just received the Most Wired Award for 2015. The Most Wired Survey Award is sponsored by Hospital and Health Networks. According to the organization's website, the survey is designed to measure the level of IT adoption in U.S. hospitals and health systems and is a useful tool to help map IT strategic plans. MJH prides itself on being proactive with regards to using information technology in daily procedures, whether it's through patient safety, customer service, or employee operations. This isn't the first time Martha Jefferson has received the Most Wired Award.
This year, though, the reason why it's particularly exciting is the focus was based on patient engagement. So not only patient safety, but also patient education and having patients access their portals and getting their own information and becoming very involved in their care.
This award says, you've been doing great, keep it up, don't lose track of the focus on how we can use information technology, the computers, to make our patients safer and healthier.
8 other Sentara hospitals also received the Most Wired Award for 2015. Well, it's an exciting time for IT at Martha Jefferson. Right now, the process is underway to switch over to Sentara's electronic medical record platform, which will only enhance the use of technology that is already working over there. The system will go live in the fall of 2016.